Hey everyone, welcome back to one more session on Power BI visualization. So we have discussed about the maps and charts, but now let's discuss more on filters, slicers and KPIs. So of course we are going to cover everything in depth. So let me start with filter first. In the filter we are going to discuss about text filter and numeric filter as well as the date filter. So let me start with the text one first. Okay, let's create one new table over here. So I'm going to drag one table. Okay, in the table, what I'm going to take city as well as the profit. Okay, so this is just a table which I have created. I'm doing some formatting over here. I'm going to the values. I'm going to increase the size of the font, right? So now you will be able to better see the table. Okay, so I have city as well as sum of profit over here. Now we are going to work with filters step by step. I'm going to teach you guys. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take, suppose same city, I'm dragging to the filter pane, right? So you can see this in the city. Once I am, clicking on the drop down, I have three options in the filter type. One is basic filtering, one is advanced filtering. So I'm just clicking on the basic filtering. Okay. So instead of select all, suppose I'm only clicking on three or four cities, because my management want to see only these four cities. How much is the profit, how much is the like revenue, whatever it is. So that is the first thing, the basic one. Okay, now I'm going to let's just again take all red. Now we are going to take the advanced filtering. Okay, once I'm clicking on the advanced filtering, same for the city. Remember, we are working on the text filter for now. So in the contains, right, suppose there are a lot of options you are seeing over here, guys. Okay, I'm clicking over contains for now. And what I'm going to take A, right? And again, I'm clicking on contains, right? And again, I'm going to take B. Okay, so I have taken, I want to see only those cities which contain A and B inside the name. So you can see this. So I will be getting only though. Okay, now. Yes, yes. So why I'm seeing this, guys? See, we are definitely seeing the cities with B as well because हमने वो दिया है, right? We want to see also the cities which start with B. Okay, now all the city in which the letter A will be there or B will be there or A and B both will be there, you will be seeing this. Every city. Now you'll be able to better relate. What I'm going to click starts with. Okay? Starts with A. Now let's see. Starts with A and it starts with B. So I want to see only those cities which have started with A as well as started with B. Like only those ones. I'm not getting anything because I have given A and option. If I'm clicking on or and clicking over there, now you will be seeing the city names with A as well as B. Okay. If you are like this is a contradictory statement when you are clicking with and, because a city name can start with A or B, not A and B. Okay, I hope you guys got the difference. Now I am not seeing any other names, only A and B. Okay. Similarly, instead of start with, suppose you want to contain doesn't contain. Okay. I'm just clicking anything. Suppose it should not contain A. Right. And so I want to give it should not contain A, okay, and it should start with B. See, I have only few city names which doesn't have any A at all inside it, okay, and it is definitely starting with B. And similarly, instead of doesn't contain, suppose you want to take is blank, is not blank, is empty, is not empty. Suppose you have some null values or you have some gaps or errors. Then by using this filter, you can see that is there any blank on the whole city name? Is there any empty values over here? Or it is not blank or it is blank or anything. Suppose I'm clicking now here, right? And okay. Now suppose we are giving this, we are not getting anything because the city names are perfectly cleaned. If there will be any blank in the city names or some spaces, then you will be getting this. So you guys can play with all these features, whatever I'm showing over here. Now instead of city, let's take something else. Right. Let's just take maybe profit. Okay. Okay, not profit. Suppose I'm going to take category maybe. Okay, now you guys can say I have taken category again. Suppose I'm clicking on furniture category, you can see all the profit in those cities with furniture category only. Okay. Suppose I'm clicking on office appliances. Now both these things are selected. Suppose you want to select on single option, then you can click here. Okay, you will not be able to connect multiple. You can only select single because I have clicked over here. Okay, so now so we are done with the text filters. So in the next one I will be discussing about number filters and date filters as well.